I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you want to avoid paying for a car wash all the time, don't mind doing it yourself, then this FCLUSLL car cleaning kit is going to blow your mind. Now, this thing comes with everything. It helps not only to give a nice good clean, but allows you to give your car a good detailing as well. It comes with a vacuum, 2 different types of duster, black pad sponges, different detailing brushes. It comes with cleaning goo, a wash sponge. It comes with brushes that can attach to any drill, and 2 microfiber drying towels. It's so helpful is the empty spray bottle allows me to make my own cleaning solution, so I don't have to have harsh chemicals. The sponge worked so well. Not only was it great for cleaning on the outside of my car, but it was great cleaning the mats and the seats. It has different sizes of detailing brushes, so you can again get into these little crevices around where you can play your music, around the steering wheel, on the sides of the car. I love the feather duster. It made it so easy to go onto the dash. The cleaning goop was so nice and does such a great job. I really appreciated the vacuum that comes with this. It has 3 little nozzles and the cord was so long, and it can go not only easily into the back seat, but all the way into the trunk area. And I just love how I'm able to get every inch of my car a good, nice clean. Definitely think you're going to enjoy having this along that ride with you. And that's my point of view.